are doing the tarot readings. Today we will be discussing card the Magician, the second card of Major Arcana. The meanings associated with the card are power, skill, concentration, resourcefulness, action, and manifestation. The number of the card is 1. The planet associated with the card is Mercury. Alternate names for Magician are Magus, Juggler, or Mountebank. Element is air, also ether. Meaning is creativity. Chakra, the palm chakra, for manifestation. Let's start with understanding the Magician card. Here we have a magician in action, complete with the magic wand and implements of his trade on the table before him. The suit symbol of the pentacle or coin, cup, sword, and wand representing the 4 elements of earth, water, air, and fire, respectively. With these base materials, he sets an intention to transmute them to create the 5th element of ether, or the mythological breath of gods. The magician, who once journeyed as the fool, is now ready to manifest his desire by aligning spirit and matter. As the conduct between the earth and heaven, magician stands for the decision and creativity. The rose and the lilies growing above and below him tell us that the life can be beautiful when we commit to our passions. In the major arcana sequence, magician comes after 0, the fool, although the magician can also be seen as the first card of the cycle, as some taroists place the fool after the world. The magician is a natural successor of the fool as we move from 0, the cosmic edge, to 1, individual. The fool's bundle contains the magician's 4 symbol ready to be activated. After the singular purpose of the magician, we met 2, the high priestess, who introduces us to the duality of life, the now and hereafter. The magician number 1 is the first prime number, which stands for the primal energy, the individual and the oneness, with the divine spirit of God. The astrology, as we said, the ruling planet is Mercury, also the Roman god of magic, the Greek Hermes, god of communication, linked with the Egyptian god, which associated with the transformation of 5th element ether, which is signified by symbol of snake shown in the magician's serpent griddle. Okay, when the magician shows in upright position, it shows it's a time for action, for communicating and expressing your ideas and desires. This is the card of the inventor, the traveler, the self-employed, and the entrepreneur, as it beckons you to broaden your horizons. You will have the drive to spur your plans forward and perhaps to take new creative approaches. To think literally, ask questions, trust your internal guidance, and let go of the procrastinations. Blessed with a magic wand, you have the ability to transform whatever you choose. And in this way, the magician is very positive card in the reading. He directs you to make the most of your skills and talents and steps into your power, focus on your projects, and capitalize on your personal strength. Spiritually, the magician shows you connecting with your higher or true self, acting with the pure intention. This card can also show a significant journey. If this card shows up in the terms of home, it represents a house sale is completed, or you decide it is time to move forward with remodeling plans. This is a sociable time with lots of visitor and entertaining. If this card shows up in a relationship, If you are single and want love, it's coming, baby. If you want a relationship, the magician show love in action. So you will begin to see commitment. Communication between you is excellent and you reach an even deeper understanding of each other's needs. The card can also show you acting as one, so a joint project may be on the horizon too. If this card shows up in the career and money section, it shows that there will be a new beginning, either finding a new employment or new direction in your existing career. It also shows inspired leadership from the grounded and enthusiastic individuals. If this card shows in reversed, he turns trickster. So this card can show you being misled by charming manipulator. You have to be conscious. What you see is not what you get, and it's all show, not truth. It's a basically illusion or deception. In your projects, the magician reverse can show a creative block as you feel torn between two paths or choices that get in the way of your progress. It's time to choose one option and commit it to fully. The reverse card can also reveal delays to travel plans and miscommunication in journal. His wisdom messages manifest your desire. Different symbols which are present in the card, we can discuss them. The infinity symbol shows the balance, activity and renewal. The magic wand is a double-ended and reflects the hermetic concept, as above so below, or heavens and earth as mirrors. The wand symbolism reflects that of the magician's pose. The four suit symbol, they are the magician resources. He draws upon the four elements of the suits to create the fifth element, the red clock, which is wearing, energy and action, practicality and being grounded in the material world. The handband, the mind and the intention to manifest desire. The magician and his pose. The magician is the source of energy between the earth, which he draws from with his downward left hand, and heaven symbolizes his raised hand and the wand. The serpent riddle. The belt around the magician's waist is serpent, a symbol of the element of Mercury, the magician's ruling planet. To function as a belt, the serpent or snake must hold its tail in its mouth. This is the alchemical symbol of Ouroboros, which, like the Lamensake, stands for infinity and constant renewal, just as the snake continually shades its skin. The roses and lilies. The red roses symbolizes love and the lilies truth of purpose. The magician acts with a pure intention. The yellow background, consciousness, clear sight and support.